A fast, refreshing snack showcases a silky herb yogurt swirl, folded with lemon zest and sesame for a bright finish. Thin cucumber ribbons are rolled into spirals and topped with the creamy yogurt, creating a satisfying crunch and tang. The trick is to layer flavors in minutes using pantry staples that stay fresh, crisp, and vibrant. A final drizzle of olive oil and paprika highlights the aroma, turning a simple bite into a snack moment. Viewers learn a stylish, no-cook option perfect for busy schedules.